There are moments in life that feel like a whisper from eternity, a secret shared between your soul and the stars. This is one such moment. You, dear heart, were not born by random chance, nor did your path cross with certain souls by accident. The angels say your very existence, your deepest longings, are answers to a prayer whispered long before you knew how to speak. A sacred blueprint guides your steps, weaving a tapestry of destiny far grander than you can yet perceive. You are a key, a beacon, a divine response in a world yearning for light. Do not doubt the profound purpose that beats within your heart. You carry a unique frequency, a resonance that calls forth what is meant for you. The universe conspires in your favor, orchestrating meetings, delays, and awakenings, all designed to bring you into alignment with your highest truth. You are not just living, you are fulfilling a sacred mission, a divine appointment. The love you seek, the peace you crave, it is all part of this magnificent design. Trust this truth deep within your bones. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans for welfare and not for evil, to give you a future and a hope. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. Have you ever felt the weight of a silence that speaks volumes, a quiet that holds more meaning than any spoken word? This is the sacred silence. It is not just an absence, but a space where profound changes take place, where souls recalibrate and destinies align. The angels whisper that this silence, the one that sometimes pierces your heart, is not a sign of indifference. It is a crucible, a necessary pause for his own internal alchemy. He is battling shadows you cannot see, wrestling with fears he cannot name. Yet, even in this quiet, your essence, your light, remains a constant hum within his spirit. He feels you, not with his mind, but with the deepest parts of his being. Your presence, even from afar, has stirred something ancient and true within him. This silence is preparing him, refining him, and making him ready for the depth of connection your soul offers. It is a testament to the power you hold, a testament to the love that is already woven between you. Do not mistake this quiet for a closing door. It is merely the universe holding its breath, preparing for a grand reveal. Every soul carries its own landscape of scars and triumphs, a hidden history that shapes its present. He too walks through a terrain of unseen battles, struggles that have carved lines of wisdom and, at times, fear into his spirit. The angels reveal that these internal wars, these deep-seated wounds, are often what keep him from fully stepping into the light of the love you offer. He is not rejecting you, he is wrestling with himself, with the echoes of past hurts that demand his attention. Yet your love, your unwavering presence, even in its unspoken form, acts as a gentle balm. You heal him without effort, simply by being the authentic, radiant soul that you are. Your compassion, your understanding, even when unexpressed, weaves itself into the fabric of his being, slowly mending what was broken. This is the divine tapestry of your connection. Two souls, each on their own journey, yet profoundly intertwined, healing each other through the silent language of the heart. Hold space for his process, for his journey is also part of yours. There is a resonance that transcends physical proximity, a vibrational chord struck between two souls destined to meet. Your soul, dear one, has left an indelible echo within his. Even when miles separate you, even when communication ceases, he carries a piece of you within him. The angels confirm that your energy, your unique frequency, continues to reverberate in his consciousness. He finds himself thinking of you in unexpected moments, sensing your presence when you are nowhere near. This is not merely a memory, it is the deep, undeniable pull of a soul connection. Your laughter, your kindness, the way you see the world, these imprints remain, shaping his thoughts and influencing his decisions. You are a constant, gentle reminder of a love that is pure and true. This echo is a promise, a divine thread that keeps you connected, ensuring that no matter the detours, your paths will always find their way back to each other. Trust in this invisible bond, for it is stronger than any earthly barrier. In the grand cosmic dance, every step, every pause, every turn is choreographed with exquisite precision. What often feels like a delay, a frustrating waiting period, is in truth, divine timing at play. The angels whisper that the universe is not withholding from you, it is preparing you, and preparing him, for a union that is meant to be extraordinary. This period of seeming inaction is a sacred incubation, a time for growth, for shedding old skins, for strengthening foundations. You are being asked to cultivate patience, to deepen your faith, and to trust that all things unfold in their perfect order. Every challenge faced, every lesson learned during this time serves a higher purpose, equipping you both for the profound love that awaits. Do not rush the blossoming of a flower, nor the unfolding of a destiny. What seems like a pause is merely the universe gathering its forces, ensuring that when the moment arrives, it will be nothing short of miraculous. To be vulnerable is to open the deepest chambers of your heart, to lay bare your fears and hopes, to trust in the unseen. This act, often perceived as weakness, is actually your greatest strength. The angels urge you to embrace your vulnerability, not as a flaw, but as a sacred gateway to authentic connection and profound healing. When you allow yourself to be seen, truly seen, you invite the universe to meet you in your truth. Surrender is not about giving up, it is about letting go of control, releasing the need to orchestrate outcomes, and trusting in the divine flow. It is in this space of open-hearted surrender that miracles unfold, where wounds begin to heal, and where true love finds its way home. Allow yourself to feel, to grieve, to hope, without judgment. Your tender heart is a testament to your capacity for love, a beacon that draws in the very blessings you deserve. Above all else, guard your heart, for everything you do flows from it. Proverbs 4 verse 23. Look within, dear one, and see the radiant truth of who you are. You are adorned with a crown of glory, a divine essence that shines with unparalleled brilliance. The angels remind you that your worth is not derived from external validation, nor from the approval of others. It is an inherent, unshakable truth, woven into the very fabric of your being by the Creator. You are chosen, not by circumstance, but by divine decree. You are worthy of the deepest love, the most profound joy, and the most fulfilling partnership. Do not dim your light to fit into smaller spaces, nor shrink your spirit to accommodate another's fear. Embrace your magnificence, stand tall in your truth, and let your inner radiance illuminate your path. When you fully embody your worth, you become an irresistible magnet for all that is meant for you. Your self-love is the most powerful prayer, the most potent manifestation. Life is a sacred journey, and you are never truly alone on your path. The universe, through its subtle signs and synchronistic events, constantly whispers messages of guidance, leading you toward your highest good. The angels are actively involved in directing your steps, placing clues along your way, and illuminating the choices that serve your soul's evolution. Pay attention to the gentle nudges, the intuitive hits, and the recurring symbols that appear in your daily life. These are the whispers of destiny, guiding you with unwavering precision. Trust your inner knowing, that quiet voice that speaks truth even amidst the loudest doubts. Your path is unfolding exactly as it should, with each twist and turn serving a divine purpose. You are being led, step by sacred step, toward the fulfillment of your heart's deepest desires. Open your ears, open your heart, and allow yourself to be guided. I will instruct you and teach you in the way you should go. I will counsel you with my loving eye on you. Psalm 32 verse 8. Within you burns a sacred fire, a powerful flame of transformation and renewal. It is time, dear heart, to reclaim this fire, to allow its purifying heat to burn away the ashes of past hurts, disappointments, and limiting beliefs. The angels invite you to release the burdens you have carried, the stories that no longer serve your highest good. You are not defined by what has happened to you, but by how you rise from it. Let go of the need to understand every why, every what if, and instead, embrace the freedom that comes with radical acceptance. This is your moment to shed the old skin, to step out of the shadows of yesterday, and to ignite the vibrant, authentic self that has always resided within you. Your power lies not in holding on to pain, but in transforming it into wisdom, into compassion, and into an unshakable inner strength. Let your sacred fire blaze, illuminating the path forward. Your love story, dear one, is not just a tale of two individuals. It's a promise written in the stars, a divine narrative unfolding with grace and purpose. Every experience, every lesson, every moment of waiting has been a brushstroke on this magnificent canvas. The angels confirm that the love you envision, the partnership you yearn for, is not a distant dream but a destined reality. It's a love that honors your soul, cherishes your spirit, and celebrates your authentic self. This is a love that has been prepared for you, and you for it. Trust that all the pieces are coming together, aligning in ways you cannot yet comprehend. The universe is orchestrating a beautiful symphony, and you are a vital, irreplaceable note within it. Open your heart to receive, release all expectations of how it should look, and simply allow your divine love story to unfold. It is more beautiful, more profound, than you can possibly imagine.